Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, 1 hour. Let's talk about it. We got the breakout of this falling wedge as expected, and the price action got rejected by the 200 SMA, but the stock market also pulled back at the exact same time. So now you've got your high, higher high, lower high, and potentially this head and shoulders playing out where downside measured move would give you a target down here at about 22,800. Very key that you put in overall, the bulls need a low that's higher than this low, right? So our green circle, we'll slide it over a little bit. We need you to bounce right here. Bitcoin, higher low is the key, right? Same thing, right? Studying market structure, and that's what we do. This is the Bitcoin daily chart, and we talked about the most likely idea for a bounce would be right here at this lower trend line where you've seen bounce, bounce, looking for a bounce here. If you get a breakdown of this trend line, I mean, you could see $20,000 Bitcoin. Okay, I mean, you got bearish divergence possible all over the indicators. And so again, very important the bull show up and hold this key trend line support. You had a daily golden cross, but again, the resistance flipped. Then I'm looking for a move up here to about 26,000. But that would mean that 25,200 number that we've talked about time and time again would have to be broken. Break 25,200. You want to talk about $28,500 target? Got to break and flip this level. That's all it is. This is the weekly time frame. Talking about 25,200. Here we are. All the 50 simple moving average, 200 simple moving average, and the weekly chart got rejected by all this previous resistance as well as the moving averages. And this is a death cross as well. Very important that you pay attention to some of the information I'm about to go over because we got a monthly candle close and key ideas to explain for what to look for this month. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, I want to say thank you for changing my life, my family's life. I took her from 5 digits to 6 digits and now 7 digits, possibly 8 digits soon. I mean, that's Deca millionaire. Let's go. This person. I started in the group. I turned 11,500 into 130,000 in 4 months. This person, I have a $100,000 portfolio. I still make mistakes. I started out with 15,000. You don't have to be perfect. You can make a ton of money in this market. I can teach you the basics, man. I can get you up to speed really quick. I have $300,000 to my name on the Kucoin app. I started with 50,000. That's 6x. $300,000 portfolio. This guy's going to be a multi-millionaire after the bull rally coming. Right now, for 1 week, we're lowering the prices, rock bottom fees to join the group, $200 off, lowest price ever, plus 60% off. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. Listen, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Most important thing I got to really stress to you guys is you've got to make the money in the bear market to build up the capital to take work out of the equation, right? If you are tired of working for the man, you've got to make these trades. We nail the bangers because they're provided for you in group. Let's talk about March. So for this idea to be valid, we need March to look like this, where you get some type of double bottom down here and then a move to the upper trend line. This would mean green altcoins as well as green Bitcoin. And when Bitcoin moves, it moves real quick. Man, players jump in, double bottom, boom. So are you going to get this double bottom? Or are you going to get the breakdown, 20,000? Or are you going to run up here to $26,000 Bitcoin? But you have to break 25,200 first. Monthly Ethereum earnings. So we talked about Justin Sun yesterday. He's staking a ton of Ethereum almost $500 million worth of Ethereum on LDO. LDO has the largest total value locked as far as the LSD coins, or the liquid staking coins. And so if you look, this is showing the monthly Ethereum earnings, which is the earnings equal the revenue minus the token incentives. He's a smart man. He's a billionaire, potentially, for a reason. This doji is the monthly candle. This means indecision, right? It means the price action moved up to this level, came down to this level, and closed right in the middle. Bulls and the bears fought hard and long, and this is a monthly candle. So now if we go down here to this chart, we didn't break a lot of the key levels that needed to be broken. So not super amazing. Zoomed in, if you look, so this candle, large wick on top, large wick on bottom, and it closed like this. Essentially on the monthly time frame, this was a wash, right? Means indecision. So will you get a rejection to the downside because you didn't break and hold? 23,400 would have been big, because July had this move up here to 23,300 almost, and you weren't able to break that. And so not amazing for the bulls. Now, these are about 4 bangers we nailed today. 157, 120, 61, 48. Constant bangers posted in the group. Easiest money you can make in crypto. Altcoins have been just moon city. Now, the dollar, we got to talk about this, because you've got a rising wedge right here, right? This thing is supposed to break lower. You're at key resistance. If this breaks lower, gives the stock market, crypto market some breathing room, but it hasn't happened yet. So you don't want to see this break and flip this level. Otherwise, you're looking for Bitcoin stock downside. If you look at the stock market is the ES1 exclamation point. We talk about it all the time. Bitcoin follows this, right? Almost to a T. Look, I could go over the macro. It seems like I've said high, low, higher, low. We need it. Green circle right here. Same thing with Bitcoin. You need the higher low. You get a situation like this, you need the higher low, which could be a double bottom, right? Which would give some bullish momentum for some upside, but the bulls got to start showing up here. Stock market is going to lead this move. And so you need the double bottom for a run back up to this resistance, and then breaking that's a whole different ball game. So we're paying attention to the stock market. Bitcoin, less than amazing. Not a very strong monthly close. Lackluster performance, back and forth all month. But these are the months where coins completely blowing up, double-digit gainers over and over and over and over. And everybody's sitting here looking at Bitcoin basically doing not a whole lot, right? Profits on, you got 10, 12% moves out of Bitcoin. And then these small caps, you're getting 100% moves or more. You got to shift. If you're not making money in this market, it's because you're in the wrong coins, period. If you are not on Kucoin, you're probably in the wrong coins. You got to be in the small caps. You get the newer coins. Go to the new coin list on Kucoin. If you bought $1,000 of every coin new that was listed on Kucoin past few months, you would be up ridiculous numbers. They had 2 coins at 20x over the past few months. I mean, there's your 1,000 turns into 20,000. I mean, you had a couple losers. They were smaller losers. One, I mean, it's just crazy to see the amount of money you can make just on the new coins, because the money flow follows the hype. The new coins have the hype. Their marketing programs come out. They just raised a ton of money with these token sales, and they're constantly barraging Twitter, social media, YouTube with all their marketing materials, and they're trying to sell the dream. And you'll find that the new coins will see tremendous upside as long as Bitcoin is cooperating. So you need this bounce. You want a double bottom bounce, which would be an ES1 bounce, potentially. Upside ideas in the short term. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.